Good morning, y'all. All right. As of right now, I'm going to make a smoothie. Let me show y'all step by step how I make this smoothie with bananas and strawberries. Let's get to it. I always put in the water. Okay, and the reason for that is to, make it easier for the items in the blender to move around, because I notice without water they tend to get stuck inside there, and it makes it much harder to clean the blender. It also takes longer without putting water in it, and it also helps thin out the smoothie a little bit. Because see, I like to put bananas, as you can see, and bananas have certain ingredients that tend to thicken the smoothie, just like avocados. Now, I do like my smoothies thick, just not too thick. I just like it thick enough. All right, now let's go. Blend. Oh, hold on, y'all. Look at this. Now, how do I forget to plug it in first? Hey, it happens. And besides, this is like a random impromptu video. It wasn't planned out in advance. Bear with me, y'all. All right, now blend. Let's do a little check. Oh, look at that. Don't look good. All right, blend again. Alrighty. Okie dokie. Oh. And let me try it. It tastes good. So yes, this is how you make strawberry and banana smoothie. If y'all like the video, hit the like button, click share, and subscribe to this channel. Alrighty, now take care and God bless.